This is video 2 for semester 2 final exam. Today I'll be doing 5C. So before we get started on the questions, we have to look at what the four graphs that we're looking at today, what they look like. So first up is cosecant. It looks like this. Here are also the equation, amplitude, period, domain, and range, but we won't be looking at those right now because we're trying to figure out which graph it is based on its characteristics. So this is what cosecant looks like. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. So here's secant. Secant is the inverse of cosine. And then here's tangent. Tangent is not, well, we'll see. And then this is the inverse of cotangent, which is the inverse of tangent. So looking at the first problem, we can see that it's a long snake-like, which automatically removes cosecant and secant because cosecant looks like this, and so as well as secant looks like this, and it looks nothing like that long S shape as we can see here. So that leaves us with tangent and cotangent. When we look at tangent, we can see shifts to the right and cotangent shifts to the left. Looking at this graph, it's shifting to the left, which means that our answer here will be cotangent. Going to the second problem, it also asks us to find which of the following functions represents the graph below. We have this one. In order to find out, you can't really tell that easily which one it is, but we obviously know it's not tangent or cotangent because it doesn't match that like snaky shape. But what we can do is draw the inverse of it. So we can make it look like this. Oops, my pencil broke, I'm sorry. And this. So when doing the inverse, we can see that it looks like sine because when x equals 0, y equals 0. So that means our answer for this part will be the inverse of sine, which is cosecant, which means our answer here will be y equals cosecant x. And that is for video 2 for semester 2 final exam, 5C.